Hey everybody, I want to provide a quick little video of this compact Presario V6000. You can see I got the SSD pulled out of it again because we're having to drop and install Windows 10 on this thing. Well, you're probably wondering, okay, in the previous video of me featuring Windows 10 on this thing, I was able to install it just fine. But apparently there's a difference between 22H2 and older versions of Windows 10 like 1507 or 1709. When I try to install those using the conventional method, this thing will blue screen during the installation process. So I got the SSD pulled out, got it hooked up to the Trash AM2 system, and we're using the Trash AM2 PC to put the installation onto the SSD. And once this gets to the restart phase, we'll shut everything down, pull this loose, reinstall it back into this machine, and hopefully be able to finish installation. And you can see here we are finishing up setup. I had just finished the first part of the installation. I pulled the SSD out of the Trash AM2 system, stuck it back in this thing, and here we are finishing up setup. So yeah, definitely safe to say that Windows 10 even on this thing is not exactly smooth sailing. Somehow or another we got lucky with 22H2, but yet older versions of Windows 10, yeah, just like Windows 11, trying to install it on this thing. So anyways, I'll be featuring this machine yet again in another video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, thanks for taking the time to watch this video from Cuckoo Channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to tick the bell so we get notified of new video posts. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and share this video as well as the channel with your friends and get the word out. Also, I have a second channel, that's CubeCompMTDX. Over there you'll find videos about thunderstorms and weather, cycling, and videos about me personally. Feel free to subscribe over there as well if you like. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.